Hello and welcome back. I'm just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 235. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 8. 2 and 8 here, so this is our 1, 8 here, so 2, 8. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 4. We've got a 1 here and a 4 here, so this is our 3. I don't see any other help. So 1, 4, 1, 4. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 7. We've got 2 and 3 here, so this is our 7. That 2 makes this our 3, 2. For this column, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 9. For this row now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. For this row now, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 7, 7 here, so 1, 2, and no help here, so 1, 2, 7. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 6, but the 6 can't be here or here, so it must be here. For this box now, we're missing 1, 4, and 5. No help here. 1, 4, 5. 1 here, so 4, 5. And no help here, so 1, 4, 5. This bottom row, we're missing a 3. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 4. We've got 1 and 4 here, so this is our 2. 1 here, so 4, 1. That 1 makes this our 4, 1. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. For this column, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 8. For this row, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 7. And we can get rid of this 7, which means the only place our 7 can be in this box is here. For this box now, we're missing 2, 5, and 6. We've got a 5 and 6 here, so this is our 2. 6 here, so 5, 6. And that 2 makes this our 1, 2. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. And we can get rid of this 5. For this column, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 8, 1. We can get rid of this 1. That means the only place the 1 can be in this box is here. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. That 4 makes this our 5, 4. And for this box now, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got 5 and 7 here, so this is our 4. 5 here, so 7 and 5. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.